This purse is pushing P. That's all I know. She pushing something in it, and it smell like pee. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, but if not, let me go ahead and fill you in. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you're just one big happy family. I focus all things such as travel, lifestyle, and fashion, especially tall fashion, because I am a tall female. So if there are any stylies out there watching this video, like I said, make sure you subscribe, you're locked in. I'm gonna be plugging you in with some tall clothing brands, some tall fashion, some places where you can get some extended sizes with shoes. So, like, you know, just plug in. I'm a stylie, you a stylie, so might as well just be some stylie sisters. Period. So this video, y'all, is long overdue. I went to Miami late last year, around late October, and I can say I really enjoyed my time. I really enjoyed my trip, a little vacay. I went to the beach, went sightseeing, did a little bit of luxury shopping, and that is what this video is all about. It's going to be like a little unboxing slash haul of what all I got when I was in Miami. I picked up, you know, some few pieces, and I've never actually showed my channel what all I got, so I thought this would be a great time to sit down and share with you guys what all I got when I was in Miami. I've also had these items for a couple months now. They've had their wear and tear, and so I think now would be a great time to give you guys an unboxing, a review, and yeah, we'll just go from there. So if you have any of these items, please let me know down below. Maybe some of these items are on your wish list, so you know, just leave me a nice little comment down below. We're just gonna go ahead and hop into this video. Okay guys, so for the first item on my list, this was actually my first stop when I was in Miami. This was the first stop shop. When I got there, I went to the Design District, so it's a big like luxury shopping mall. So the Dior store had, you know, the store, and then it also had the cafe that was attached to it. So did a little shopping, and then went upstairs and ate outside in the Dior cafe. If you haven't already, go check out my Miami vlog. It was a great time, so yes, go check in with that vlog. So this little item right here is a necklace. It obviously came in this little box. It also came in this little dust bag, so you keep your jewelry in this little dust bag. And then I got a necklace, so you just open the little flap in here, and then you get the little goodie that's inside. Guys, I just absolutely love this necklace. It was on my wish list for such a long time before I went and actually did all my luxury shopping when I was in Miami. But just look how beautiful this necklace is. It's gold. It spells out Dior. It has one letter that has like, it's all like crystalled out, and that's the O. The rest of the letters are just like gold. I'm trying to like let it focus, but as you can tell, like I said, it just spells out Dior. It has like their signature star on the chain, which is really cute. This necklace was called the Dior Revolution necklace, and yeah guys, she's a cutie. I love like just throwing her on with some brown, just anything. Gold is my color. I prefer to wear gold over silver most of the times. Of course you can mix hardwares, but I really just love this necklace. Like, look how dainty and cute she is. She is so cute. And I think next I want to get like another necklace. It doesn't have to be Dior, of course, but I want another necklace just to like layer with the chain I got, the necklace I got. Isn't she just so cute and dainty? Like, oh my god. So yeah, this was one of my first pickups when I first got there, and we love her. I'm so happy that I'm finally able to cross this one off my wish list, because this was on there for a while. So yeah, usually I just keep her in her dust bag, or I'll like display her on my jewelry rack in the back and just call it a day. But this bad boy is so cute. I get so many compliments when I wear it. It's such a great piece to have in your jewelry collection, so I absolutely love that piece. Okay guys, so we're moving on to the second item that I purchased, and this one is from Gucci. Can we tell by the box what she is? No. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. And inside we have 2 dusters. So if you guess shoes, you're right. So what do we have inside, guys? We have a pair of booties. Oh, it would be helpful if I put them the right way, huh? So guys, like I said, we have a pair of booties. They look more so like combat boots than anything. They are heeled. And listen, guys, when I saw these, I absolutely fell in love. I actually went to Miami looking for a pair of like fall winter boots. Like I said, I went in October, so seasons were changing. It was about to start getting colder out, and I wanted a pair of boots. Boots was on my list. It was top of the list. Same with that necklace, or a pair of boots. And sorry to keep adjusting. These bad boys are heavy. I don't know if they look like it on camera, but these are super heavy. Like carrying these back like through the airport and stuff. Oh my gosh, my hands were killing me. But yes, guys, these are called the woman's GG ankle boot. I'm gonna zoom in just a bit because I want you guys to see how beautiful the shoe is, and like the details of this shoe go crazy. And I just think all the details make the shoe. The part right here that you see, like the outer sole, this is all leather, and then you get a little closer and then you see the black GG and it's canvas. And then we also have like some quilted material on the back of like the heel area. The tongue does say Gucci on it, and it's a little distressed, like it looks a little worn right here on the tag. The heel is about 3.5 inches high, and it does have like a little platform. And then my favorite part about the shoe, which is kind of funny because no one sees it, is the bottoms. The bottoms have snakes on them. I don't know why I think that's so cool, but like I said, no one's ever gonna see the bottom of your shoes, but it's definitely just the details for me. And honestly, no, I have not wore these yet, and it's only because I want to find the perfect outfit to wear these with, because you can't just wear these and the outfit not be bomb. Like, come on now. No, you just can't do that. So I've been trying to piece together a really bomb outfit, of course, because I want to get pictures too. Oh, and I also got these shoes in a size 42. I do think they run a little small, but that's kind of my issue that I run into when I try on designer shoes, is I do run small, and 42 is pretty much the highest size that a lot of designers go to. So, and that is a 12, so I am a 12 in US women's shoes. These do run a little small, especially if I was to wear a sock with them, but I can still walk in them. I just haven't, like I said, wore them yet. And you can honestly, like, I did buy them for winter, and yes, like seasons are changing as we speak now. It's like 70 degrees. It's fluctuating, but it's, you know, we've had our 70-degree weather in Georgia, so you can still wear these. I think personally, I still think you can wear these like year round. So even if I was to wear these in the summertime, I think I'd be able to get away with it. But yeah, guys, this is the shoe. I really like her. So if you like this one, let me know what you think about it down below, and I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to my next item. So my next item actually came from Gucci as well, and I got this item to go with my shoes, with my boots, and I have wore these. So they weren't put together in the box as pretty as my shoes were. So I got these socks from Gucci, and I absolutely love these. You could have got these in like the long tall socks and like sequins, or like they have like a little bit of shimmer to them, which is what I got, or you could got them like in the plain just GG, no sparkle, no shimmer. But I'm extra. I was like, you know, go big or go home, so I wanted the ones that had sparkles, and I just thought these would look so super duper cute together. Like have the little pop out sock with the boot. It's kind of like something like this. You get the idea. Just kind of having like a nice little combat boot with a long sock. that's the style and look that I was kind of going for. I mean, shoot, I could even wear I could wear this little shoe sock number with this brown dress that I have on. But you know, like I said, I'm still just trying to find the perfect outfit. But I definitely have wore the socks. I got the socks in a size large. They're called the Lame Gigi socks. They're super roomy, stretchy. I get a lot of compliments when I wear these bad boys because they're just so cute. And they had so many different other styles and other socks you could have got. But like I said, I had a certain look in mind. So yes, I love these socks. They're super cute. Super cute. Have the Gigi in brown, tan, and then the shimmer is gold. So absolutely love these. Okay guys, so for my last and final item, I actually purchased this maybe a week or two after I got back from Miami. I purchased it here in Atlanta, and I wasn't supposed to get this bag because I did a lot of shopping when I was in Miami. I already treated myself enough. And that's all that shopping was a treat. Like I said, I've been working really hard that past year, you know, at my job and just doing a lot of stuff at the time. So Miami was definitely a treat, and all this shopping was definitely a treat. But this handbag, guys, she was just on my list and I wanted her. She's also a unicorn bag. She's very rare to find. They do have the bag on their website. I'm referring to Prada. They do have the bag on their website, but it'll be out there, it'll release, and then it'll be gone within seconds. So this bag is very hard to get your hands on. I didn't actually think I was going to be able to get the bag because it was so hard to get online, but that's when I found out you would have better luck if you went in store and put your name on the wish list. So when I came back from Miami, I saw the bag in store and I was like, oh my god, I need it. I need it. So I was gonna get, I was thinking about getting it then, but the person who was working there, she was like, someone just purchased it, there's no more in stock, but you can put your name on the wish list. So I ended up putting my name on the wish list, and then maybe a couple days to a week later, she said she had one in. Long story short, because I know you guys want to see what's inside. Long story short, what did I do? Put my name on the wish list. About a couple days after I did that, they had it in stock, and I pulled the trigger. So let's just go ahead and open this bad boy because I just love her so much. So this is how it came packaged. The tissue paper says Prada on it, which is cool, nice and fancy tissue paper. So the bag did come in a dust bag like so, which is nice. All bags should come with a dust bag so you can protect it. And so inside we have my bag. Guys, look at this bag. Like, oh, isn't she just a showstopper? Like, oh my gosh, look at all these crystals and the way they shine in the light. Ah, oh my gosh. And so they had 3 colors in this bag. They had pink, black, and white. And as y'all know, my favorite color is pink. The pink would have been a lot harder to get your hands on, but I was like, okay, that's fine. I don't have to get it in pink because I actually really liked the black, and obviously because it kind of just goes with any and everything. And y'all, I just had to have it. Oh my god, I can't believe I have this. Like, so this bag is called the Satin Mini Bag with Artificial Crystals, and they do come in like other shapes and sizes, but this is the one I wanted. This bag is identical to the re-edition bags that are out by Prada as well. This one's just covered in crystals. That's basically how they explain it to me. This is the same size, same shape as the re-edition. It's a nice little shoulder bag, but blinged out, iced out, and crystals. What I love about this bag, that yes, it is small, but you can fit everything that you need inside. So so I can fit my phone. I carry my card holder inside, some gums, lip gloss, lipstick. I can even fit my camera inside here, but my camera is pretty small now, so I can't fit it inside. Literally, this bag may be small, but she can hold a lot. And I'm just gonna open it so you guys can see inside. I always keep the tissue inside my bags to help keep it shape. The bag does not have any pockets inside. It's kind of just a hole. I have the 12 Pro Max. Boom, fits inside, and I still have room for, like I said, keys, wallet, gum, a little bit of makeup, and keep it pushing. This purse is pushing P. That's all I know. She pushing something in it, and it smells like pee. This bag is such a showstopper. I get so many compliments when I wear this bag. I had so much fun wearing this around the holiday time because, you know, bright lights, it's Christmas, or for New Year's I even popped this out. So this one for sure has definitely got some wear and tear. I posted some pictures in it, some TikToks, like along with all my items. So if you don't follow me on like Instagram or TikTok, please make sure you go do that now, because I post a lot of content and I would love for you guys to see all the things that I post. All their re-editions come with this little tag, and it basically just says Prada re-edition on it, 2000, and that's the model that I have. But like I said, she's just iced out. I like my bags icy. You wear this bag and you'll just feel like that it girl, material girl. Absolutely love this handbag. If you do too, let me know what you think about it down below. Would you have got this handbag in a different color? If you could, maybe the pink, maybe the white. And that unfortunately is the end of this luxury unboxing. Those are all the items that I got in Miami, and then outside of that, the handbag that I got here maybe a week or two after when I get back home from my trip, which I didn't need. But like I said, I was just in the mood of treating myself, and there's nothing wrong with that. No, it doesn't have to be luxury. No, you don't have to break the bank. But if you want to treat yourself, by all means, treat yourself. So with all that being said, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a nice little comment down below. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.